Hello, I'm Christian Bogan. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Polymore. We do automatic detection of wrongly sorted waste, and we do this with hardware and software. And we started because I was involved and I worked for 5 years in the manufacturing industry where plastic products were prepared to be put on the market. And I saw a lot of scrap materials, a lot of rejects, and a lot of problems, operational problems using recycled materials. So here in Romania, together with my colleagues engineers, we wanted to see what's happening, what are the processes in the recycling centers, and throughout the entire waste management process, because we don't meet the recycling rates here. So surely we considered upfront that an engineering solution must be put forth, and this is why we started. We really believe that technology can bring impact and make a difference in the waste collection, especially. We have seen this and validated this with all the stakeholders going on the field, and we're glad that we're doing this. For us, it's a really important mission, and it's the most important thing to work on right now. We know that technology is wonderful in many aspects, especially machine learning, computer vision, and the hardware capabilities that we have right now. But we want to make them meet the business requirements and the operational processes that are required to have a better and sustainable future. This also is the basis that we have as individuals, and also for myself. I really consider sustainability to be a really important value that I have, and I think this is throughout my entire career and throughout my entire uh, all the processes that I have. And we have gone through some experimental and some hard times, especially in the team forming sessions. Past year, we've had multiple team members which were not that much into the vision as we were. And I really believe and I really discovered that team formation and the team is the entire strength of the startup and of the company generally. And I'm really glad that right now the members are really, really high skilled and also believe in the mission, as is the case for me. And I think this is the most important building block in order to go forth and bring the technology that is needed in waste management processes. Thank you so much.